welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in bonus videos throughout the week. And with that being said, you all, I know I have an unboxing. Yes, I do. So if you're here to see this surprise unboxing, then y'all know what y'all need to do. Y'all need to click on my subscribe button. Yep, you got to click on my subscribe button so I can go ahead and jump into this here surprise unboxing. As you can see, the box is really small, so of course, you know, it's not a bag, but it is from Gucci. And I purchased this particular item. This thing has been popping up all over YouTube. I was like, okay, let me see what's the hype about, you know, because y'all, if y'all don't know, I'm that person that I need to see, get it home and figure out if it's all the hype, just like that Coach Pillow Tabby. So I was like, let me go ahead and order it because it is affordable. So I was like, I'm gonna go ahead and order and see for myself if it's something that I need in my collection. So with that being said, I have my handy dandy box cutter, and it just came today. And I'm like, okay, y'all, I had to get it because I wanted to see what was the hype about. Because I'm like, everybody raving about this little piece and talking about how it's a, oh my goodness, piece and all that kind of stuff. So I was like, let me find out for myself. Let's see if it's Miss Tamika approved. For some reason, every time I do my makeup, my nose is always running. Okay, so like I said, it is something from Gucci. I didn't write myself a note this time. I don't know why, because I usually do. Because like I said, when you purchase yourself high-end items, always write yourself a little happy birthday to you from me, because it comes in like a cute card and the return instructions. So let's see if this is a Miss Tamika approved. Oh, look at the little box. So as you can see, it's a really small item, you all. Like I said, it's not a bag. It's something really small. And I just had to purchase this for myself because, like I said, I've been seeing this thing pop up on my YouTube page. And I'm just like, and I kept seeing reviews and people share it on Instagram. And I'm like, I got to get one for myself so I can see. So here is the inside of the package. As you know, Gucci always comes through with their packaging. It didn't come with the little dust bag. Not dust bag. It didn't come with like the little bag. I guess because it's a really small item. But I don't want to even say that because my small items came with like a little tote bag. But I do have some, so I'm not tripping. But yeah, here is the dust bag. As you know, it comes with this here. What is this? Like a tannish color dust bag. So can you guess what I got? So your girl got this here little teeny, like, look at her. Ain't her so cute? Oh my goodness, you all. I watched a few unboxings and I also watched a few reviews. And for this thing to be this small, it holds a lot. Bring some of my lip products just to do a really quick what fits in here. So here in the inside, you always know Gucci always give me more than enough little what is these booklets. Oh, okay, so you get this here, then you get this Gucci. I don't know what this is, but this is also from Gucci. Oh, look at the key thing. Oh my goodness, you all, this is, I'm keeping this, like I'm not returning it, so I know I'm gonna love it. Like I already know, because as you can see, the inside opens really wide where you can place some things in here. So for the sake of the video, I did bring along my Charlotte Tilbury lipstick and my Tower 28. And as you can see, it is a much bigger size than the Charlotte Tilbury lipstick. It fits perfectly in the inside, which I am so happy for, because I don't think I will use this as a keychain. I may just use this as like a catch-all for like my lip products, like my fancier lip products. And then also is cute. Like this is cute. This is why I was looking for the graceful PM from Louis Vuitton. All my little small Gucci accessories. And I also have my Gucci cosmetic pouch. I didn't need this, you all, but like I said, YouTube hyped this up, and I will say YouTube made me do it. I didn't even know nothing about this, and when I was looking to purchase this a few months ago, it wasn't available, and when I did click on to purchase, it said it's not available until September. So I was like, okay, it's fine, because I really don't need it right now. Of course, with me going back on the Gucci website, I saw that it was available for purchase, and I didn't have to wait till September. For all that, I was like, let me grab it, because this here seems to be like a small item that's hard to get with Gucci, hard to get on the Gucci website. If you are on the fence about this here particular item, purchase it, because like I said, I'm not sure how long this is going to be available. Ready to purchase it, it wasn't available. It says still in production or whatever. So I'm like, you know, I don't know if it was an item that sold out really quick or what, because I did see way back when Minks for All, she had mentioned this particular item. So again, I don't know if it was hyped up around that time and everybody purchased this or whatever. So when I saw that it was available again, I was like, okay, I'm getting it, because if it goes out of stock or whatever, I'll have it. I'm keeping this little item because, like I said, I can use this for other things besides lip products. I can also use this to put my face mask in here. I could use this to put my little pills. I'm gonna grab some more stuff just to show you how much can fit in here, because y'all, this thing holds a lot. I'm gonna just say it holds a lot. Grab this here MAC cosmetic pouch just to see what other things can fit in here. Let's see, let's say we want to carry our Fenty. This is the new Fenty Heat, and I have my pill holder. I don't have my fancier one, that's in the other bag. Let's see what else. This in here. So as you already know, I do have the Tower 28, and then I have the Charlotte Tilbury. So let's just say for whatever reason we need another lip product, need our medicine, a face mask, because as you know, we are going back to face masks. And if you receive the shot, so everything fits in here. Let me see. I think I may have to take out one of the lip products. Of course, I won't need both, because as you know, wearing a mask, I mean, I'm that person that don't really like putting on lip products when I'm wearing a mask. I prefer to have like lip balms. So I did take out the Fenty Heat, and I have a lip gloss, lipstick, a pill holder, and my face mask. This thing is so cute and adorable, y'all. Do you see how cute that is? And as you can see, everything fits. Now with this particular item, I don't see me carrying my face mask in here. I may just throw it in my purse, or I'll just have one in my car. So for the sake of the video, we're going to take the face mask out, and let's just throw another lip balm in here, and let's see if it will close. Now, I don't always need my medicine, so that's something that will not always be in here. But for the sake of the video, I wanted to show you all how it fits, if it can fit. So as you can see, it closed nicely. Nothing is bulging out or anything like that. It's able to close, and voila. And you can attach your keys to this. Like I said, I'm not sure if I will use this as a key pouch, only because of the fact that I have a keyless car, so I don't want this hanging from my key ignition. Like I said, if I had a keyless car, I probably would add my keys to this, because I can always tuck my key in the inside and just have this in my purse at all times when I'm entering my car, and then I don't have to worry about anything. But like I said, things may change. I may get my keyless car, so you know, fingers crossed. I have to put that out there, because you know, anything I want, you have to manifest, you have to pray for it, and everything like so. A car, a house, and I think that's it. A car and a house, you all. That's what I'm praying for, so pray for me. So yeah, so here is that. And I'm going to wait and take this off because I wanted to say shiny. And the one good thing about Gucci hardware is shiny, and it's really nice. This will be my first time having like a Gucci item like this. I did have like a Gucci key pouch that I gave to my son, and he lost it. So I don't know how in time how the hardware may look, but as of now, the hardware is really shiny and pretty. It's going to tarnish like Louis Vuitton, Again, I had my Louis Vuitton way back in the day, so I'm not sure if the hardware on the Louis Vuitton is a lot different from when I purchased my items. Now, I did purchase a few new Louis Vuitton items, and the hardware is shiny just like this. So again, within time, I'm not sure if things going to change, because if you look at my Speedy, y'all, and that Speedy lock, it looks horrible, like it do. Nothing I did, is just that it tarnished and ended up wearing out. I didn't want to, you know, upgrade the lock, because I just feel like it goes along with the bag, if y'all get what I'm saying. So yeah, let me just say, you all, if you're not sure about this hair thing, I'm telling you, it's Miss Tamika approved. Like, now I see all the hype, like I do. Now, this hair is going to stay in my collection, so I am in love with it. I understand the hype. I am keeping this. Now, they do have this in a bigger size. Not sure if I may upgrade to the bigger size. Now, this size will suit me just fine, because like I said before, I do have the pouch, the other pouch. The only thing with that pouch sometimes is a little, I don't know, just trying to open it the way it's made, because it's made like a square. I have to like hold on the pull tab just to close it, because just the way the little pouch is shaped. I'll get on here and say, hey, this will be it, and then I'll end up with the bigger version. But as of now, I'm going to stick with this small version, because right now this is all I need. Because I'm to wear masks again, I'm sure I'm not going to be taking a lot of makeup like I used to. Because if y'all follow me from way back when, y'all know my makeup pouches used to be on lip gloss, lipstick, swole. Like, I probably brought every lip product that was in my drawer in my cosmetic pouch. Yeah, I just wanted to show you. I took out the lipstick and I just grabbed this lip gloss and the Fenty and my pills, and it do fit. You have like tampons and you want to be discreet, like say you at work and you don't want everybody in your business or whatever, you can place a tampon in here. I don't use tampons, but I'm sure one can fit. I don't have one to show you, because like I said, I don't use them. Sure, they can fit, and you can grab this and go and, you know, be really discreet. Now, this will fit panty liners. Like if you have a small panty liner, have little small little things that you want to keep in your purse and don't have, you know, have it all out. This here is also a good way to put, you know, have your stuff in something cute, pricey cute. Like, you don't have to go Gucci cute. Like, you can find something smaller. But for me, if you know me, I'm just that person that's over the top. So yeah, I'm that person that will buy a Gucci pouch just to hold my products. Again, y'all, that's just me. But yeah, like I said, it opens really, really wide. You can fit more things in here. I will do a part 2 on this particular item today. I'm just here to share the unboxing. Part 2, I will share more you can place in here. Like, I will probably show credit cards. I'll try and show some cash. I will also connect my keys just to see how the keys can fit and if they can tuck in the inside. Like, I will show you all of that in part 2. So that's why you got to be subscribed to my channel, because you just never know when part 2 may come. So you all, with that being said, I am in love with this here little beauty. I understand the hype, you all. I understand. Like I said, I'm not sure how long this is going to be available, but I had to grab mine because I didn't want to miss out. Because I'm that person, when I watch something and I want to purchase it, I want it to be available. Like, I don't want to have to wait. Like, that's just me. So if I see this again and I miss out, I'll be highly upset. So that's why I was like, Tamika, just get it. If for some reason you don't like it or it doesn't fit your lifestyle, you can always return it, because Gucci has a great return policy. So I can always take this to Lenox Mall, or I can return it through the mail, however I wanted to do it. But like I said, I am keeping her. You will see this in a future review, and you will also see this in one of my new bags, because I am looking for one more bag, you all. Not sure what kind of bag, but yeah. With that being said, you all, if you like this here really quick Gucci key pouch unboxing, please give this video a big thumbs up, because y'all, it really helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and my notification bell, so y'all can be notified each week when your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time, I will talk to you later. Bye.